What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another edition of Dad Does Videos. A couple years ago, we bought these two new outdoor sofa covers from a company called Pertotoy. You can click the link on your screen right now to view that video where I give my initial thoughts on these covers. We've had a couple years to use them. We've had a few winters. We've had a few summers for them to get a little exposure to the elements. Now, we're in the Midwest, so it gets hot in the summer and it gets cold and it snows in the winter, but we're neither on the far end of either extreme. So I feel like we could give these a pretty good test and a fair shake after a couple years. The brand promised that these covers were waterproof, wind resistant, tear resistant, UV resistant, and fade resistant. I can tell you the only one that's true, at least in our experience, and by the way, I have two of them, so I'm going to show you the results on both of these. The only one that's true is that they are waterproof. They've done a really, really good job of keeping our sofas dry. So about that tear resistant claim, that is not the case. You could see this huge rip on one side of one of our covers, and then if you look a little bit more deeply on the other side, we've got this tear right here, and it looks like another one starting to develop right here. And then this is just not the case where we've just gotten a bad cover. On our other cover, the same situation is occurring. Got this nice rip right here, and I'm sure there are probably some others starting to develop on this one as well. These are not UV resistant, nor are they fade resistant. These are a lighter color than what they were when we first bought them. And as you can see what the sun has done to these over the years, look at all these little creases in the material on both of these covers, which has led to a lot of the ripping. The strength just isn't there after a couple years of being out in the sun. These are not wind resistant either. Look at what the wind has done to the straps on one end of our cover over time. It has completely frayed the strap, and these are basically not usable anymore. And it just hasn't happened on one post or one leg of our sofa. Okay, on the other side of that same sofa, we have a similar issue. This strap is frayed in two spots, one right here and then one right there. And I'm assuming it's because the material that they use in these straps just isn't strong enough. When the wind starts blowing, there's stress put on the strap and it just starts to fray. Hopefully that gives you enough evidence to showcase that these are absolutely not worth the money. Thanks for watching, everybody.